Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the beta-alanine powder by Bulk Supplements Athletic Endurance Recovery, 500 grams. If you are tired of paying a small fortune for supplements that have some of the ingredients you want and a bunch of other stuff you don't, then look here. Look up some scientific studies and make a decision about how much you should be taking to make this an effective dose. They group together substances that may have a synergistic effect at achieving a specified goal. Give that group of substances a catchy name and label the total amount of that particular blend of supplements without specifying the exact amount of each particular substance. The tingles, itchy feeling kick in after about 10 minutes after consuming the product. However, it really does help your workout. 5 hours 3 times a week, so maintaining a good degree of energy throughout the entire gym session is very important to me and is by far the biggest benefit of this stack. The Bulk Supplements brand has allowed me to purchase my own ingredients at a very reasonable price as compared to ready-made pre-workout supplements. It's the main ingredient in many other good pre-workout supplements, but without the caffeine and taurine that don't do well with me. Bulk Supplements is a go-to brand for me and has been some time due to the consistent quality and hard-to-match beat prices when purchasing in bulk. Their pure beta-alanine is exactly what you look for when trying to build your own personal supplement stack without having to deal with proprietary blends and natural flavors. Definitely get the tingle others have mentioned if taking more than the recommended dosage, which is harmless BTW, which leads me to believe it as the real deal. Everyone is different, so buying from Bulk Supplements allows you to dose according to your needs, not what a manufacturer decided. This is my current recipe: 200 mg caffeinate beta-alanine, 6 gl citrulline malate, 6 gl car, 6 gbcaa 211. You can mix Gatorade powder or Mio into the drink and then slam it back. Overall good product. Packaging was simple, but measuring the right amount is not, unless you're a chemist or a weirdo with little tiny measuring spoons that measure grams. The company would be far more accredited if it provided any means of purification or quality control assurances to the public. They also tended to go bad or not give me any effect at all on occasion, so they weren't perfect. Beta-alanine is the most powerful of all aminos, also the most expensive, which is why the dosage is always low in mixed blends. It is a great value to buy in bulk this way and is a much better decision than buying pre-workout from name brands that give small doses of the effective ingredients such as beta-alanine. You need at least 6 grams a day of this, and most pre-workout supplements only have about a gram or 2. Same niacin tingles as that product and potentially increased submaximal volume is the optimum nutrition at a better price and purer. If you have the money to spare and you feel like a bit of a boost in your workouts, go for it. This product comes in neat plain packaging. Why pay for unnecessary design? They were prompt and sent a special offer after my purchase to try out something else on their line. Not much to say about it other than you get a good amount of the product for about the lowest price around. The labeling isn't specific, so you need to try and test products sometimes, even if it says not for those with medical conditions. It does not rev you up or provide any stimulant effects except the fact that you feel a tingling hot feeling in your skin about 15 minutes after you take it. Beta-alanine is the ingredient in pre-workout that gives you that tingle feeling, or in some people an itch burning sensation. If you are sensitive to this feeling, then be sure to properly weigh and portion out this ingredient. Gives a great pump and a nice tingly feeling without the nastiness of other pre-workouts full of chemicals that make you want to itch your skin off or gives you stomach cramps. Stacking with Bulk Supplements Pure L-citrulline DL malate 2-1 powder, recommended for a very effective, both from a cost and results standpoint, pre-workout stack. You do get that tingly feeling after 15-25 minutes, so don't be alarmed if you never take this product before. This is normal as long as you're following the recommended servings. It would be great if it came with a scooper or some type of measuring stick so that you don't take too much or too little. The product is 100 what the label says it is, and you get it for much less cost than if you were to buy a name brand. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.